Hello everyone, Jialan Package here. Today I would like to introduce you guys one of the most beautiful packages that we produced for this month. See, these foldable boxes is the recommendation of today that I would like to introduce you. First, please check on the surface. These letters, they are all embossed and also with this very elegant code for your printing. And also let me open it up for you. This is how it looks. We used some grass as a padding, and then you can use some lights, and then there is a greeting card. You can also use a greeting card for the inside. This is how it looks inside. The black is my favorite. Also, we did some other colors like the cream. This comes in 3 sizes. This is the largest sizes, and also the medium size, the smallest size. They all be perfect for any size gift. So that's it. I hope you like it. If you have any suggestions,